What's good, YouTube? We'll be back with another video. Well, actually it's gonna be our first video of them all because we have just started our channel up again. So today what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be washing this bike off because I gotta get it clean for whenever I can ride again. See all that mud we gotta wash off because I can't ride right now because clearly I got a broken wrist. The plastics, we're about to throw graphics on the fronts. Didn't have time to do those. And then we're gonna get us a seat cover and then a new brake and some grips. This happened when I crashed. It bent forward and now I can't, like, physically I can't pull it back because I gotta grab the throttle, but I can't grab the front brake. So that's what we're gonna be fixing. Graphics, seat cover, more graphics over here, and then probably more than that. Let's see. What else are we gonna do? Probably gonna get some new suspension. Yeah, but stay tuned for all that. We will be updating on the Instagram, which I will put above, so stay tuned. Alright guys, we back. So now got the pressure washer and let's get into it. So we're gonna start off with the back. Alright guys, now we're gonna work on the front, like right here. We're gonna try to do this. We're gonna turn around like this. Gonna have to reheat that up. Sorry guys, my pixie is falling off my head. Alright boys, well, that'll conclude today's video. Make sure to stay tuned. We will have videos out next week, because next week was our winter break, so I'll get the GoPro running on the helmet and we get videos out. Alright y'all, peace.